Alright, doing a quick walk around. This is a 52 Chevy truck. This truck's pretty much got everything you want on it. It's just finished in a satin yellow. Really comfortable seat. Vintage air, partially installed. It's a running and driving truck. Original frame does have a Camaro stub on the front. It's got a 4-link setup in the rear. Cool old school Krager's 6.0 LS fuel injected motor. 4L60 trans rebuilt. Like I said, vintage air, partially installed, not all the way installed. But the truck, power steering, power brakes, hits the road really nice.